Hi, good morning everyone. Yes, we come back and see you again. Now market it already hit target down refer from yesterday, and today, right, what we should do, not what we should do, what should I do? Yeah, what should I do? Because you want to do or you don't want to do is depend on you, because I just share the idea what I do under ARTT. Okay, we draw this. Okay, why we draw this? Because we want to make sure that T1 more than T2. Okay, or we go to this, maybe better. We go to this, T1 more than T2. That means target is multiplied by 1.618. Okay, 1.618 is already hit target. Now you found the market situation that hit target down and hit target up. After hit target down and hit target up, what is mean? That mean market have chance to sideways in future. Okay, that means after this, right? After 18th of July, okay, market may sideways. Sideways, that means they may move up and they may retrace, they will rebound and they may retrace again. Okay, this is a prediction model for FBMKL. We refer to 15-minute chart. As you know, right, 15-minute chart accuracy is lower than day chart. Okay. Some member, right, also asked me why Sifu didn't use what they call simple reversal pattern. Okay, this is a very important, because I want you to see this idea. This, right, this pattern we call dark cloud cover. Yes, if you are learn from classical technique, if you found this, that means you want to sell. After you sell, what it mean? What it mean? Candlestick just move down, only 2 candlestick, after that drag up. Okay, if you saw this still show dark cloud cover. Dark cloud cover after you saw, you already saw, right? Market is just a little bit move down, after that move up again. This is what they call harami clause. Harami is means reversal down, but market after harami, market move up again. This is a result after you apply classical technique. That means I'm not apply. Okay, this is just my personal opinion. Now what we do? Now we look for strong reversal down as a pattern A. If we didn't see any strong reversal down, we not take profit. Okay, we not take profit. Why we take profit? Because of in term of short-term trader, not long-term. Because long-term, we already told you, right? We already argue in Facebook with simple question. Possible or not for market to run away up around 500 point. This is a long-term view that is maybe possible or impossible. We don't know. We need to explore the market. But the information for this case study that I mentioned about 500 point, it come from, if you entry same as me at the bottom, is around 1,600 something, around this 100 something, 170, for example, 170. If market move to 2,000, that means it's around 350. If market move to the last target that we apply for last year is 2,200. You saw, right, it's different. it different, it's around 500. That means 500 is mean after you bought here at market, move up until break above here and run away up, you may have chance to get that 500, or minimum is 300 something. Okay, but is have chance to possible or not, or impossible, is depend on market, but not it depend on me. Okay, and when if we come back again for 15-minute chart, okay, for who already what they call look for opportunity, if you already entry long, right, and you hold, I think from 15-minute chart, from my opinion, I think you hold until you saw strong reversal down. If strong reversal down show up, you may take some profit. Okay, if you said you only have one contract, it's up to you. You hold or you take, it's up to you, because you trade one contract, that means you cannot do money management. You cannot take one and buy back when market retrace. But if for newbie, I'm also not suggest you to trade more than one contract. Or for newbie, I'm not suggest you to trade in this market, because this market is really dangerous for newbie. Because if anything happen, newbie also don't know what they should do. Okay, this is a problem for newbie. Okay. Come back here, right? Now market is still run away up without any signal. That means if you are in the market, if you hold long position, it's good for you to let profit run. Okay, the one thing that is your problem is how to maintain your psychology to let profit run when market have chance to run away up, and how to control your psychology when market have chance to retrace, and control your psychology to take profit first and buy back later. This is a market that need the skill and experience to handle. In terms of signal, it's okay. I think everybody can learn about how to read signal, how to read chart. But the most important for newbie is mentioned about how to maintain your psychology, how to control your psychology when market show black candlestick like this. And black candlestick, when black candlestick matching with white candlestick, it show dark cow cover. If you really familiar with classical technique, I think you have chance to sell. After you sell, sometimes you cannot buy back, because this is a problem for newbie that always apply knowledge from the classical technique. Okay, for us, for ARTT member, we just wait for strong reversal down. If don't have strong reversal down, we may not do anything, we still hold long position. But for people that didn't have any position, if you want to jump in market now, it's quite risky from my opinion, but it's up to you. It's based on your experience. Okay, experience is a good or bad the knowledge or skill that you can apply, because if you experience is good in some market situation, maybe you think that situation you can apply in this situation. Yes, sometimes you can apply, but you should reanalyze again. This situation is same as your situation last time or not. Okay, I think it's a good time for us to finish, because we already teach you how to entry here. If you already watch our YouTube, we already teach you how to control your market emotion until you bought here until now. That means you earn already more than 60 points. 60 points is really good example for newbie or trader or experienced trader that never let profit run before. This is a good case study that you try to practice, because I believe that let profit run maybe have chance to earn more money, but you may apply different skill from day trading. Thank you very much. See you after FCPO open, if I not forget. Thank you very much. Bye bye.